Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. For today's very important video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix no sound in Google Chrome. So let's say for example, you watch a video in YouTube or play a music in any website like Spotify. Then once you played it, there's no sound in the video. Okay? Here, you need to make sure that the icon here, the volume icon is activated. Let's say if still it is now activated, then proceed here and check if the volume is in maxed volume 100%. Let's say if it's already activated, then let's proceed to the next step, which is to locate for the three dots here. Okay, just click that and simply scroll down to find settings. Okay. So the moment you open your settings, go for the search bar and search for site settings. Here, just have to go for this highlighted one and click that and look for sounds. Let's say you didn't see sound here, just go for additional settings and click the arrow icon here. Okay, now you can see sound here. Okay, just do a click and then make sure that the default behavior is sites can play sound. If in your case don't allow sites to play sound, just make sure that this is on rather this. Okay? Let's say if this step still didn't fix the sound of your Google Chrome, then let's close this and proceed to troubleshoot. Just do a right click and go for troubleshoot sound problems. Okay? So once you open your troubleshoot, okay, you can open it here, sound settings, and go for troubleshoot common problems. Here in the output devices, it will detect the problems in your playing audio. Okay? So it will ask you what is the problem and will begin to detect it and they will fix it. Okay? Might as well here in the input devices, it will also detect the problems in your recording audio. So in output devices, it detects the problems in playing audio. Here, it will detect the problems in recording audio. Just have to wait and it will now detect the problems in your audio. Okay? And might as well here in the volume mixer, make sure that all of this is in 100. Okay? So those are the steps on how to fix no sound in Google Chrome. Hopefully this video helps you. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell one to be updated into our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.